Hey, it's Tony, Home Makeover Systems. We're all aware of the current conditions in our communities. If you're concerned about the cost, availability, or future availability of purified bottled water in your area, please watch this video because new government authorized funding is now available, and if you're interested, we can have a full home Brita Pro water purification system just like this one installed right outside your home within 72 hours. It'd be like having purified bottled water flowing from every faucet in your house. Let me explain. First off, you not have to worry about buying bottled water or whether or not it's still available at your local stores. Secondly, the Brita Pro system will remove all hardness, unwanted chlorine, and chemicals from the water throughout your entire house. Like I said, it's like having purified bottled water flowing from every faucet. Lastly, you'll be extremely delighted to know that this new government authorized funding is available for most areas in the greater Orlando area, including all 5 counties. This means we can provide this Brita Pro home water purification system to you within 72 hours for only $15 a week. No money down, no credit check, no payments for over a year. You must be a homeowner to be eligible for this offer. So for crystal clear purified water flowing from every faucet in your home within 72 hours, click the button right here below.